Oh! Alright, what's up guys? So the holidays are right around the corner. You're running out of time, you're running out of ideas. That's okay because today I have 5 cool gifts under $20 and you can get them all on Amazon. But you gotta focus. So these gifts can pretty much be for anybody, some geared more towards others. I'll get into that as I go through them. Number 1, winter's here. That means dry, cracked skin. Well, not to worry. Desktop humidifier. Desktop upside down light bulb humidifier with a palm tree inside. So this is a desktop humidifier that lights up. It's plastic, so it's not glass, so it's not gonna break if you accidentally drop it. It's got a little filter. It has this little happy button here. You hold it down to turn the lights on and off. Quick little tap turns the steam on. This little smiley face right here, that's the controller. Now the one downside, well, some people might find this a plus, but it's powered through a USB cord. In my opinion, I think I would rather have it battery powered, just so I could take it everywhere, but then again, you'd go through batteries that way. So you're working on your computer, your hands are getting cracked and dry because it's cold outside and it's winter, and you know, when you turn the heat on, it gets really dry in the house. So if you're suffering from dry, cracked hands or just dry skin, this can help add moisture back into the air, and I think it's working. I can feel it. I can feel the moisture. It's cool, literally cool. On the plus side, it's only $14. It's fairly safe, I think. You know, I wouldn't leave it on all day long or all night long, but it hasn't heated up or anything. I would recommend it for, don't get me wrong, but I'd say that lady, you know, that lady who's maybe works in an office. She's always rubbing lotion on her hands because they're cracked. All right, number 2, mini spy camera. You guys may have seen my full video review on this thing, but it's pretty cool. It's really small, first of all, size of a quarter. It comes with a little clip, you can wear it. It has motion detection. Does not come with an SD card, but it takes a micro SD card. However, I just checked and they bumped up the price. Probably because they're thinking like, yo, Christmas time, we should charge a premium. So it's $19.99 now, but that's still under $20. Honestly, in my opinion, this is a great gift for someone you know, but maybe not too well, and maybe won't see for a while, because when you first give it to them, they're gonna be like, wow, that's so cool, it's a mini camera. Oh man, that's awesome. You'd be like, yeah, it works like a GoPro Session, but it's even smaller. And then, you know, blah, 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 see each other later, and then you're not gonna be around for their disappointment when they actually see how crappy the quality is. What's up guys, Lucas here, just vlogging because, you know, that's what I do. Alright, let's see how this works as an action cam. Ready for a backflip? Oh! Alright. Yeah, because honestly, the video and the pictures kind of suck, but what do you expect for only $15? Well, now $20. But still, it's a super cool novelty item. You can put it on a keychain. I mean, it's just so small, it's so cool. In my opinion, it makes a great last minute gift or a stocking stuffer just because it's just cool, you know? Anyways, okay, moving on to the next item. This one is super awesome and it's only $14.95, which is honestly blowing my mind. This. The Laser 301 green laser pointer. It has a little key in the back that you need to turn on. You know, you could put these away. Because the beam, honestly, is bright. Where is it? Do you see it on there? Where is it? There it is. What's so cool about this? Well, if you have a red one, that's pretty cool, first of all. But this one's extra powerful. Literally, when you go outside at night and you shine it up towards the sky, you can see the beam going up into the sky. Take my word for it, it's pretty sick. Also, it's visible during the daytime. You know, if I worked outside in construction or something, you could be like, yo, up there, and you can literally see it in daylight, unlike a red one, which is really hard to see during the daylight because it's just not as bright as that. It comes with a little safety key like this that plugs in the back, and you can turn it off, so now it doesn't work. All right, so if your kids get a hold of it or someone you don't want and they're like trying to shine it in their eye, they can't do that because honestly, this would probably damage your eye if you shined it directly in your eye. So if you're looking for a present for that responsible adult person in your life, this might be an awesome gift for them. Also super cool, this whole thing unscrews in multiple places, but it comes with a rechargeable lithium battery right here. So when it runs out of batteries, just plug it in here, and then plug it into the wall. It comes with all of this for only $14.95. My mind's kind of blown. I'm thinking like, how can they afford to make this? It's fully metal too, so it's not a plastic, you know, it's fully metal. All right, moving on. You guys may have seen my video on this before. The micro drone. Look at that, side to side, and it can do flips. Ready? Oh! Oh, we're good. Honestly, pretty dang cool, not gonna lie. It's a little hard to hold stable, but you know, you practice it, you get used to it. Get these for your kids. Just make sure they're not gonna like choke on anything or swallow anything, because yeah, it's got little propellers and maybe they can fit the whole thing in their mouth. I don't know, just make sure they're not in that choking phase. This would be a fun toy to play with your kids, I'd recommend. Maybe not by themselves, they might hit themselves in the eye. You never know, okay? I don't know. You gotta be responsible for your own crap. It's just so cool. For only $16. Comes with a little recharger, so you just recharge it. USB recharger, but you can plug it into the wall as well. Now, I just wanna say, bonus, what's up? If you wanna spend a little extra money, this is a bonus because this is $30, so $29.95. Now this one was the cheapest one I could find that has FPV. This Furby mini drone right here has a built-in little camera right there that can actually stream to your phone in real time, so you can see point of view where this thing's going. You see this? It's literally a live streaming from the drone right now. That's pretty good. And from the initial test that I just did, the quality of the camera is actually not bad. It's like at least twice as good as this little guy. Download the Furby app, it's free from the App Store. Turn on the Furby drone, turn on the Furby remote, go to Wi-Fi. There'll be something called UAV dash and then like blah, 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 blah. You select that one, you connect to that one. It says it's an unsecured network, but what do you expect for $30? Check this out, connect. Whoa, all right, turn around, you buster. You see me? Oh, don't hit the wall. Yo, this one's more stable by far. It's flying out there. Whoa! Yeah, this one has the guards on it, so see if you can fly it down. Oh! How'd you get there? All right, moving on to the final gift. Now, I actually did save the best for last, in my opinion. This is just my opinion. Number 5 in this little pouch. Tesla coil lighter. That's ridiculous. Look at that. Oh. Okay. Awesome. You guys remember those like Tesla coil balls where you basically, you know, put your hands on them? It's like. Haven't you ever wondered what it would be like to release one of those beams? Well, now you can. With the Tesla coil lighter. I mean, seriously, even if you don't have a use for this thing, it's like the coolest thing ever. Now, I wouldn't recommend this for kids at all. It's an adult item. Obviously, it's basically fire, so you don't want to touch that or anything. So this isn't for kids, but it's for your responsible adult. This was only $16.99, so $17 for this. Build quality is pretty dang spec, fully metal. Nothing like just moving around or rattling. It's all pretty tight. It won't turn on if you close it, so it auto activates off. Just the build quality, the size, the lightning bolt thing that lights things on fire. It's just awesome. I'm sorry. What a good way to light a candle on the holidays. I'm not a smoker. Honestly, I never need to light anything on fire, maybe except for a birthday candle on a birthday. So you know what? This is gonna make a bomb birthday candle lighter. See that? I mean, it's kind of hard to light stuff on fire with it, honestly. You gotta get kind of close, you know. But it's not about lighting stuff on fire. It's about that electric arc beam. Come on, do your job. I can't even... Oh, this candle is... I still like it. So whether you're looking to spend under $20, you're running out of time, or you have no idea what to get that special somebody, or a combination of the three, These are some great gift ideas that you can get on Amazon from the ease of your thumb, using the Amazon app or your finger, using a desktop or a laptop. Now, not all these are for kids, especially not these, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was entertaining. Hope it was fun. Links to everything in the description. Check that out. Don't forget to subscribe. More videos coming out. Peace. Y'all have a good one. I'll see you in the next video.